What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube with 2 updates for you. So, first things first, this truck needs to be ready for a Daytona truck meet in a very short amount of time, and it's currently all torn apart, waiting on parts. But second update is that we're giving away some wheels, tires, suspension, some lighting. If you want to get entered to win, the easiest way to do so is going to be to pick up this shirt. So we got the Hostile logo, Custom Offsets logo, BDS logo, all tied in there. We got Toyo tires on the sleeve, Custom Offsets on the opposite sleeve, all the sponsors, including Black Label lighting, on the back. So basically, you grab a shirt, you're automatically entered to win. It's a complete truck transformation package so that you can go from stock to not so stock, and it'll look absolutely awesome. So if you want to get entered to win, come out to customoffsets.com/giveaway. That's going to be the easiest way to enter. At the end of this contest, we're going to be making a contribution to Team Rubicon, who helps out during humanitarian crises. So we've already raised over $10,000 for these guys, and a lot of that is due to you guys all adding extra donations. So on the website, there'll be a drop down. If you want to add extra, you definitely can. You don't have to. You can also just pick up the shirt. That's going to help us make a donation to them as well. So if you want to get entered, if you want to make a donation, if you want to help out a great cause, like I said, customoffsets.com/giveaway. That's how you're going to do that. Hope everybody's enjoying the Monday. Sorry, I feel like I'm getting sick, but that's all I got for you. Peace.